Welcome, nature explorers. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of producers, consumers, and decomposers. Let's learn how these incredible creatures work together to keep our planet healthy and balanced in today's video.
Hey everyone, I'm Jordan Spivey, joined with my dad,
Travis Spivey, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our awesome science videos. Also, scan the QR code in the top left corner of the screen to contact us and explore more of our awesome content and material.
In today's video, we will describe and explain the roles of producers, consumers, and decomposers in a community.
So let's do this. Our learning target for today is, I will be able to describe and explain the roles of producers, consumers, and decomposers in a community.
First up, meet the producers. These are plants, like trees and flowers, that use sunlight to make their own food known as glucose sugars through a process called photosynthesis. Plants are essential or important because they provide food and oxygen for other living things. They are the foundation for all life on Earth. Plants are the first level in the food chains and food webs and provide energy for all other organisms and ecosystems. If producers were removed from a community, the community would collapse and all living species in that community would die because there is no foundational resource for food and energy. Quick checks for understanding. Number 1. What is the role of producers in communities? Number 2. Why are producers important for communities? Number 3. What will happen to communities without producers?
Now let's talk about consumers. Unlike plants, consumers cannot make their own food. Instead, they get their energy by eating other organisms. There are different types of consumers. Herbivores, like rabbits, eat plants. Carnivores, like hawks, eat other animals. And omnivores, like us humans, eat both plants and animals. Consumers play a vital role in an ecosystem by regulating the population growth of organisms and providing energy to other organisms. If other populations of organisms get too large, it may cause an imbalance of resources for other organisms to survive. For example, if a deer population grew too large, they would overeat the plants, which would hurt other consumer populations that depend on plants for survival. This is why consumers are needed to regulate or control the population of other organisms. Quick checks for understanding. Number 1, what is the role of consumers in communities? Number 2, why are consumers important for communities? Number 3, what would happen to communities without consumers? Pause the video and take 3 minutes to respond. We know you got this, you brilliant geniuses.
Last but not least, meet the decomposers. These are nature's recyclers. They break down dead plants and animals into nutrients that enrich the soil. Decomposers play a crucial role in the ecosystem by returning nutrients to the soil, which helps new plants grow. They perform a valuable service as Earth's cleanup crew. Without decomposers, dead leaves, dead insects, and dead animals will pile up everywhere. The nutrients will not get returned back to the soil, which will result in less producers since there are no nutrients in the soil to help them grow. This will cause the population of producers to decrease, which will lead to the decrease in the population of consumers as well if there are no decomposers. Quick checks for understanding. Number 1. What is the role of decomposers in communities? Number 2. Why are decomposers important for communities? Number 3. What will happen to communities without decomposers?
And that's our video for today. Now let's test your knowledge to see how proficient you are with describing and explaining the roles of producers, consumers, and decomposers in a community by taking our video quiz.
Use your electronic device to scan the QR code at the top right of the screen, or you can click the link in the description box below the video to take the quiz.
Remember, 80% or higher for proficiency. Record your results on your proficiency sheet, and if you don't get it the first time, you better keep going because it's not over until you win.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that bell icon, and also scan the QR code to contact us and explore more of our awesome content and material.
Peace and have a positive, productive day.
His name was Gambit. Remember it!